everyone, this is Shivangi from BTech first year. Today I took the mock test from Gonda through my phone. The first thing I want to talk about is the software interface, which was somewhat user friendly, could have been better. Questions were okay, it wasn't from our syllabus, it was mostly general knowledge questions, so it wasn't difficult at all. There were many problems I faced during the test. I got disconnected for at least 2 times, and it took me about 5 to 10 minutes to reconnect. So the site was a bit slow, and there were times it wasn't even responding. Um, then I didn't get any warning, and at last I submitted the quiz successfully. For me, the overall experience was fine. It could have been better if the site was working properly. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Shubhang Tripathi and I am a final year student. Today I attended a mock test organized by AKTU. I gave this exam in Gurgaon, Haryana. I gave this exam on Windows laptop where I found a very smooth conduction of this exam. The software was user friendly. I faced one issue where my camera got stuck, but after a couple of seconds it was okay. So the overall experience from my side is that it is a smooth conduction of an online examination. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Anshika Tiwari and I have attempted this mock test from my own city Varanasi. I have used my laptop to give this mock test. Yes, the paper was really easy for all of us and there were no warnings for me. The only thing which was quite disturbing for us, that was every time we tried to move forward, that page redirected to the same login page and again we had to do the same process. So yes, that was a time taking process for all of us, not only for me. I have asked my friends after the paper and their sayings was the same like mine. And yes, I successfully submitted my paper.
Good evening everyone, my name is Shobhit Yadav. I am a student of 4th year. I have given my mock test from Ghaziabad on my laptop. The major problem I faced by the mock test website is that even my camera was on, but it was showing that it is off, and it was unable to detect the camera from my laptop. The interface was very user friendly, and the level of the question was very basic, which was not from my background of my department. My test gone well. Thank you.
Myself, Jyoti Singh, second year. I have attempted the mock test from Gorakhpur. I gave the exam in laptop. Software interface was friendly. The question was easy. It were some basic bio and maths question. There was error in camera. It was talking a long time. I got zero warnings. Yes, I have submitted successful. It was okay. Thank you.
Hey everyone, this is me Sakshi Singh from BTech first year and I would like to share my experience of online mock test that was conducted by AKTU. So I am from Delhi and my network is really good. So I was trying to give the exam with my PC at the starting, but I was facing so many issues with the webcam. The software was not able to detect it, so I gave the exam with my phone. It was good on the phone. So exam was all about the GK quizzes and it was really simple. So I submitted the test successfully and it was too easy and the experience was really fantastic.
Myself Rishabh Misra from BTech first year. Today I gave an online mock test which was organized by AKTU and I gave it from my mobile. In my front of you, the software interface was very friendly and easy to use, and the questions are from general aptitude and the difficulty level was easy to know. I didn't get any problem entire exam, but some of my friends had issues regarding webcam and all, and I didn't get any warning. I submitted my exam successfully and overall experience was too good.
Hello everyone, I am Anjali Gupta, student of BTech first year, and I had given the mock test which was conducted by AKTU on my tablet. And if we talk about the overall difficulty level of the exam which was taken, I didn't think that was much tough, and I think that was quite easy. Only general questions were just asked. For example, if we take one question was there, what is the color of the sky, and another question was just some numbers were given and we were asked to select the smallest one from that. And I didn't face any problem regarding the login or the questions asked, and I didn't get any warning. At the end I submitted it very successfully, and I think the software is very user friendly and it's a good substitute for the offline exams. And thank you so much.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sumitraj and I am a student of BTech 4th year. I have recently attempted my AKTU mock test from Ghaziabad and I attempted it on my laptop. The level of the questions was very basic and the interface of the website was very user friendly. I didn't face any problem, but the only problem that I encountered was that even my camera was on, then too it was showing that your camera is off and it was unable to detect that. Rest, the overall experience was very good attempting the test.
Hello everyone, this is Shambhavi Tripathi from BTech first year IT branch and I belongs from Carpet City, Bhadoi. So talking about mock test, I have completed my mock test from my laptop and the question level was so easy, the site was user friendly, but I have faced so many difficulties like while submitting my exam, I was redirected to my first page. So I restarted 2 to 3 times. Then after I completed my exam. That's all. Thank you very much.
Everyone, this is Shipra Gupta from first year. From Barabanki, I am attempting the mock test. I gave exam through laptop. Yes, the software was user friendly. The question and mock test was quite easy. Difficulty level was good. Suddenly the mock test was stopped and after that the camera was not detected. No, I didn't get any warning. Yes, I successfully submitted the exam. Overall experience was good. Thank you.
My name is Neeraj Madesia. I am a student of BTech 3rd year. I have attempted my AKTU mock test today from Ghaziabad. I gave my exam through laptop. The interface was very user friendly. The question in the mock test were of general awareness and not related to any particular subject. The questions were quite basic. The problem that I faced was that even my camera was on, then too the interface could not detect it. This resulted some delay in attempting my paper. I got a warning while I was shaking my head. Yes, I successfully submitted my exam. It was a good experience as the interface was very user friendly. Some problem that can be overcome. Rest I enjoyed giving paper.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Soumya Gupta. I attend the mock test from Rasra Balia. I gave the exam through laptop. The software interface was user friendly. The question in the mock test were based on general knowledge. The difficulty level of paper was moderate. It was problematic when I tried to message portal as a portal was not replying. I received 0 warning. I successfully submit the exam. My overall experience is good. Thank you. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, myself Raghav Garg and a BTech first year student. Today I was gave mock test conducted by AKTU from Hapur. I gave exam through laptop. My side opinion, software are user friendly, easy to use. In AKTU like general questions, some past problems, some mathematical and some biological problems. Problems level are very easy and moderate. Anyone can solve easily. Question asked in mock test are very easy. No difficult question asked in mock test. I didn't get any warning during exam. Faced during exam due to webcam. Webcam can't easily connect through site and they can disconnect many times. Yes, I was successfully submitted my exam. My side opinion, overall the experience of exam are too good. We can't face any difficulties during exam. Software are easy to use, easy to handle.
Hello everyone, I am Niyati Bareja from first year with a college from AKTU. I was attempting the mock test from Firozabad and gave the exam through laptop, and believe me, the software was very user friendly and there was no problems at all. Although there was some issues with some students, but later on it was solved. The questions were very basic and the level of exam was very easy. There was no problems at all and I got no warnings. Overall, my experience was very good and I am very much satisfied. Do not get panic. Just prepare for your exam. All the best and thank you.